pen box together, I have found a few tools that are helpful. First, I use a tape runner, and then a pair of tweezers and a dowel. So to begin, after you have cut and scored your cardstock on your cutting machine, you're going to fold along all the score lines. And then also on the other sides here. Got that one wrong. Okay, so now that that's done, the shortest piece here is where you're going to put your tape runner. And then you're going to fold that down and line this other edge up with the side of the box to make the square shape. And then once you have everything in place, fold it in half and give it a good press. Alright, now to close the tab on one side, you're going to tape the tab, stick it in, and this is where I use the dowel. You can use your dowel stick to reach inside the box and just give that tab an extra push to hold it in place, just to make sure it's secure. Then you put your pen in the box as a gift, and then this tab, you're going to do the same thing. Put your tape runner on it, push it inside. But then when it comes to pushing it against the edge, you want to put something in there that's thin that you can slide in this little slot here. And so I found a pair of tweezers works. Anything like that would work. And that makes your pen box for a gift giving.